Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. Introduce myself briefly. I am Kausar Pradhan. My student ID number is 12404019. I study in mathematics at Kumila University. My course title is Emergence of Bangladesh. At first, I want to thank my honorable course teacher, Dr. Krishna Kumar Saha, for giving us the opportunity. Today, I am going to talk about impact of the 7th March speech. Historical context. Speech delivered on 7th March 1971 at the Racecourse Ground, now Sohrawardi Udyan, East Pakistan faced political and economic operations from West Pakistan. Growing tensions after the 1970 general elections where Awami League won a majority. Bangabandhu's speech marked the beginning of the final stage for independence. Political tensions between East and West Pakistan due to discrimination and economic disparity. The 1970 general elections resulted in a landslide victory for the Awami League, but power was not transformed. Growing demand for autonomy and right for Bengalis. Key message of the speech called for non-cooperation movement against West Pakistani rules, encouraged peaceful protest but preparedness for an armed struggle. Famous declarations: the struggle this time is the struggle for our emancipation, the struggle this time is the struggle for our independence. Emphasize national unity and resistance against oppressions. Strong call for unity among Bengalis. Urged people to prepare for a struggle for independence. Emphasized non-cooperation with the oppressive regime. Concluded with the historical words: the struggle this time is the struggle for our emancipations. The struggle this time is the struggle for our independence. Impact on the liberation war. Mobilized millions of Bengalis towards the independence movement. Strengthened the resistance against the Pakistani military, inspired political leaders and freedom fighters to take actions, leads to the formations of Mukti Bahini, liberation forces, set the stage of the declarations of independence on 26 March 1971. Set the stage for the declarations of independence on 26 March 1971. Motivated millions to join the Mukti Bahini Liberation Army, became a symbol of resistance against Pakistani operations. Influences international opinion on the legitimacy of Bangladesh struggles. Influence on nationalism and unity. Unified people across all classes, religions and regions. Create a strong sense of Bengali identity and patriotism. Encouraged political awareness and participations, became a symbol of defense against dictatorship and injustice. Recognition and legacy. UNESCO organized the speech in 2017 as part of the Memory of the World, considered one of the greatest speeches in history. Still studied in political science, history and leadership courses. The speech values democracy and self-determinations remain relevant today. Modern day relevance. The speech continues to inspire movement for democracy and justice, used in educational curricula in Bangladesh and beyond. A reminder of the importance of unity and leadership in crisis, observed every year on March 7 as a historical event. Conclusions. The 7th March speech changed historical by uniting a nation, marked the beginning of the struggle for independence, a legacy of courses, leadership and resistance, continues to inspire people to fight for justice and freedom. Anyway, I don't like to prolong my sessions. That all for the moment. Thank you too much. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.